Don't you just want to find that perfect pan for daily use? We have the solution. Single Pan, the right size for the right price.
Now you can bake, sear, steam, braise, saute, or deep fry, all with the versatile Single Pan.
The Single Pan has a multi-layered, non-stick ceramic coating. The hammered surface ensures optimal heat conduction all the way to the edges, and the special aluminum alloy means the Single Pan has an even distribution of heat that can withstand temperatures of up to 450 degrees. The integrated steel plate means you can use the Single Pan on any cooking surface, and the cleaning afterwards, as usual with the Single Pan, is child's play. You'll see, the fantastic Single Pan is the only pan you'll ever need for daily use in the kitchen. Whether you're single or have a small or large family, whether junior or senior, with the Single Pan, you'll be the head chef in the kitchen.
Similar products can cost an absolute fortune. Don't waste your money, because today we have a very special offer. Order right now and we'll give you a 50% discount. Yes, you heard right, it's yours at half our regular price. But wait, there's more. Order right now and we'll give you this as our special gift to you for free. That's right, it's yours absolutely free.
The Single Pan comes with a corresponding thermo lid. This thermo lid means that you can cook at very high temperatures. That's essential if you want to make fresh popcorn, for instance. And let the Oscar film night begin.
The Single Pan can replace most of your cooking utensils, because today you'll also get, free of charge, the ideal deep fat frying basket. The frying basket has a 2-tiered hook so that excess fat can easily drip off after frying.
Or you can make a quick chicken soup, the best medicine in the world if you feel a cold coming on. You can make pasta with it too and save yourself the extra work of draining. With the Single Pan, you simply take the pasta out and drain it with the basket. You can do all of that and much more with the Single Pan. And there's something else that's free, the practical steaming tray for fresh vegetables, crunchy asparagus, healthy cauliflower, as well as delicious fish. You can even make meat dumplings in the steaming tray, a tasty feast. Or you could surprise your guests with mouth-watering steamed mussels.
And there's still more. If you order in the next 20 minutes, we'll send it by express delivery for free. Anywhere in the country, but you must order now. Plus, try it for 30 days, and if you're not completely satisfied, return it for a full refund. No questions asked. Now, you've got nothing to lose. It's 100% risk-free. This is a limited time offer, and it's only available while stocks last. You get it all. Everything you see here, all for a special low discounted price. So don't wait, don't delay, don't miss out. Order now by sending us a comment or message us right here to live chat for our discounted price, or visit our website, or simply call the number below. Payment is super easy. You choose cash on delivery, credit card, mobile payment. But hurry, this is a limited time offer and is not available in any store anywhere, so you must order right now. So don't delay, chat message with us or just call right now.